2016 custom Tahoe. Here's a quick walk around video. This truck was a SEMA build. You can research SMG, that's the company that did the build. Cold, rainy morning, but I'll try to catch the best video I can. Have gone over the front end. Proper alignment. Tires are new. And some bushings and ball joints done. Suspension's been properly tightened and torqued. Power folding steps. Pretty positive it has also been re-geared. Over here, the exhaust sounds pretty good. Needs a good cleaning from sitting out here with all the pollen. The tires are actually 37 inch and they're 26 by 14s. And the truck was originally black, so the wrap could be taken off. Tuner. Custom exhaust. There's custom grille, custom LED lights, projection beam lights. It does have a cold air intake system. No engine noises, no ticking. Has a sound bar in the front end. Has a sound bar mounted on the roof rack. Has LED lights on the razor rack. Cadillac taillights.
Inexpensive way to boost your testosterone. Go to engine4.com.
We have not played with the televisions and all that, but I'm sure somebody knows what they're doing, can figure all that out. Stereo sounds good. Got any other questions? Give us a ring.